So strong, healthy seedlings don't happen by accident. They are a result of giving the plants the conditions that they are designed to grow in from the very beginning. So today I want to show you how airflow is an integral part of creating compact, sturdy seedlings that are ready to thrive once they're transplanted. So seedlings respond to their environment immediately. So from the moment a seed sprouts, it's reading signals like light, moisture, temperature, airflow, and deciding how it wants to grow. So when these signals are right, the plant builds strength, and when they're wrong, the plant stretches, weakens, or struggles later in the garden. So this is where light tables become such a powerful tool, and a light table provides even, intense light, and this prevents them from stretching in search of light and encourages short, stocky growth. But light alone isn't enough. So out in nature, the seedlings are never grown in still air. They experience gentle breezes, shifting temperatures, and constant air movement. And that movement is a signal to the plant to build a thicker stem and stronger roots instead of growing tall and weak. So when you add gentle airflow, usually a small fan on a low setting, you're mimicking the outdoor conditions. The plant senses the movement and responds by strengthening its structure. This natural response helps prepare the seedlings for transplanting wind, rain, and the temperature fluctuations. So airflow also improves the circulation, and this reduces excess moisture. It kind of evens out the temperature on the light table, and it helps prevent dampening off disease, which is a really common problem when seedlings are grown indoors in stagnant air. So what we do is we run our fan for 2 hours a day on low near the light table, and I go ahead and put a timer on it so you don't have to think about turning it on and off. It just kind of comes on automatically and turns off automatically. So if you're serious about growing strong plants from the very beginning, I encourage you to watch the full light table series. The links are in the description below. And if you're looking for open pollinated heirloom seeds, you can find our full collection at thelivingfarm.org. And I also put the link in the description below. So I want to thank you for supporting organic seed growing and local farms, and I'll see you in the next episode. So may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.